Starting around 30 November 2023, Ethereum sort of is exchanging at $2,039.20 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in most recent 1 hour in a significant way. ETH in a real sense has a truly complete market cap of $245,193,528,730, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,315,580,875, which by and large is very critical. This explicitly makes Ethereum, ETH, exceptionally positioning at 2 in the digital money market in a sort of significant manner. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum especially be really worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Ethereum an excellent speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical? Will ETH value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they fundamentally thought? These for the most part are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future and in every way that really matters, huge way. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost explicitly is supposed to basically cross a really normal value level of $2,247.91, the normal by and large least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the ongoing year. Ought to for the most part be $2,144.98 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, ETH can basically arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $2,309.67, which truly is very huge. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation November 2023. The cost for Ethereum in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,976.18 and $2,223.21, which fundamentally is very huge. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $2,161.45 in a significant manner. Ethereum value expectation December 2023, Ethereum cost in every practical sense is supposed to reach between $2,144.98 to $2,309.67 in December 2023, while the kind of typical cost of ETH for the December especially remains around $2,247.91. Ethereum sort of past value examination, in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been explicitly diminished by 0.34% in its ongoing worth. Showing how Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost in a real sense is supposed to explicitly cross an all things considered normal value level of $2,247.91, the normal genuinely least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to generally be $2,144.98 in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we explicitly analyze the exceptionally current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum really is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a fundamentally huge manner. The ETH for the most part is down to nearly 1.08% in the truly most recent 7 days, exhibiting how this truly makes Ethereum, ETH by and large positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past beautiful few days. The coin could have kind of solid essentials at the same time. We don't by and large figure that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment, exhibiting how assuming we for the most part look at the really current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's. You can in every practical sense see that the market cap generally is likewise down, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the very current cost and by and large beyond 30 days cost history, it really is seen that Ethereum explicitly has expanded 7.392% in its worth. Exhibiting how sort of is Ethereum a fundamentally wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part significant manner. The very normal kind of least cost for the month sort of is $1,843.68, while in every practical sense, greatest in every way that really matters, normal cost generally was $1,888.45, which for the most part shows that while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $2,161.45 in an unobtrusive way. This infers that this coin essentially is a reasonable resource and another expansion to decently your arrangement of coins for truly long haul, so the sort of normal kind of least cost for the month really is $1,843.68, while genuinely greatest pretty normal cost certainly was $1,888.45. Which for the most part shows that while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $2,161.45, which in every practical sense is very huge. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 23.18%, and the cost for the most part circled from an in every practical sense least kind of normal cost of $1,539.51 to really greatest pretty normal cost of $1,647.19 in the by and large beyond 90 days, exhibiting that the ETH certainly is down to nearly 1.08% in the all things considered most recent 7 days. Showing how this by and large makes Ethereum, ETH, for the most part positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market in a kind of huge manner. In truly most recent 4 months Ethereum truly has shown a developing pattern in an especially significant manner. Hence, we in a real sense believe that comparable pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As indicated by the sort of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, so this suggests that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for sort of long haul. So the genuinely normal sort of least cost for the month especially is $1,843.68, while exceptionally greatest extremely normal cost all things considered was $1,888.45, which explicitly shows that while the very normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $2,161.45, or so they truly thought. The exchanging volume is an essential job in its cost, which sort of shows that assuming we truly look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap in every way that really matters is likewise down in a for the most part enormous manner. The coin fundamentally is up by 35.26% with the very greatest by and large normal cost of the coin certainly was around $1,207.02, and the essentially least kind of typical cost of in a real sense was around $1,191.63 in fundamentally beyond 4 months. Which for the most part shows that assuming you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum basically be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Ethereum value conjecture 2023 facts. What will explicitly be